Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover if you decide you want to revert back from something you did in PolicyPak Start Screen and Taskbar Manager. So you can see here this is the default layout that this user got from Microsoft. Now here's the thing, this layout actually could change from time to time, and also a user could, before Start Screen and Taskbar Manager comes in, they could move some things around and do their own stuff. What I'm going to show you in this video is how to use PolicyPak Scripts Manager to revert out any setting that a user might have made or something you did in PolicyPak Start Screen and Taskbar Manager. So to get started with this, let me go ahead and create a new GPO here. So in this GPO, what I'm going to do is just show you the kind of ways that somebody might make an error. So we'll go to Start Screen and Taskbar Manager here. We'll create a new collection. A collection has a configurable option called partial preserve or full replace. You probably heard about this and use this in other videos. A lot of times folks will do full replace even though we tell you that it's going to remove everything the user already has and then put in your own stuff. We even give you one last warning and you can click OK here. So now all the groups are going to take this on. So if we were to add a new group here, we were to call this Hello1 group here, it doesn't really matter. I was to add just one or two icons here just to prove a point. Right click, add new desktop tile, and registered application. I'm going to pick Acrobat Reader, just one single application here, and put it here and call it Acro. All right. So if I go over to my endpoint here, which has the layout as Microsoft defined it and also whatever the user did here, if I were to then run gpupdate, we're going to get the Start Screen and Taskbar Manager to do the thing. And that is going to erase all the stuff and put in my one group that has the one item that I just declared. Let's go ahead and wait for that to finish up. Okay. There we go. That's what we expect. So you might think, oh, wait, that wasn't what I wanted at all. All right. Well, if that's the case, there is a way around this, or the way to kind of revert out of this situation. So what you'll do is, first things first, is you will get out and unlink that GPO that you were currently doing here. And then what you'll do is you'll use PolicyPak scripts. So you pp scripts to restore Start Screen. Okay. PP scripts, here we go. And you'll click Edit here. So what we'll do is we'll expand PolicyPak, go to Scripts Manager, right-click, add a new policy here. And what we're going to do is a one-time PowerShell script to run as the user. And I'm going to copy and paste in this script that I found, and you can find it also, but it's and we should have it in the same place where you have where you found this video. I'll also put it in the YouTube comments if you find it in YouTube. So the idea is that you're removing this item, okay, from the account, okay. And when you do this, what happens is that and then you also kill Explorer. And then when you do that, what happens is that whatever you have here will be replaced with whatever Microsoft's default flavor of the moment is, which is pretty close to what you saw earlier. So we're going to go ahead and paste that in. Remember, running it as the user side. Okay, then we're going to not do an off script. There's no reason to do a revert action here. And you don't want to run it always. That's crazy. You want to just run it one time. So we'll go ahead and run it once. And then we'll say revert out start menu. And you're ready to go. So remember, that policy that did the work, the original work here to deliver the start screen is unlinked and is no longer affected. And now we're ready to run gpupdate here. And we should see a flash of Explorer being killed. There we go. So that means it did the work right there. And if we click back on the start menu, boom, right there. It's pretty close to what the user had before we got started. Okay, so this is the latest offering. And if you were to log off and log back on, there's a strategy that Microsoft has to offer new tiles to the user that has the default start menu. So this is as close as you're going to get to what the original setup was for Microsoft Land. I hope this helps you out, and looking forward to getting you started with PolicyPak real soon.